let's head into the Goodwill Bins to see what we can find. If you have not been to the Goodwill Bins, it's all of these bins full of items, and they change them out all day long. It's like a treasure hunt. You literally never know what you're gonna find. You could come in several times a day and find different items. So we're gonna look through and see what we can find. And as far as pricing, at my Goodwill, all items are priced individually, like this, and the toys and everything, and then books and shoes have a certain price, and then the clothing is by the pound, so they will weigh that, and it'll be you know, I think it's $2 a pound over here. Ooh, brass. Some brass bells. And then they also have a lot of furniture here as well, and all of this has a price. So these chairs are $4.99 each. Let's see how much these bookshelves are. This one's $6. This piece over here is $8. Ooh, I love these ladder back chairs. $4, y'all, for this cute little chair. They have some bikes back here. Ren has one very similar to this. And let's see what the price on this one is. This is, oh, it's $30 for this bike. Here's some books. I like the color of these. They almost look like leather. Ooh, look at that green on the spine. These are gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna get this set of 3. I just found this book. Look how pretty the outside is, but the inside is also filled with beautiful watercolors and poems. Look at that. You know I need this book. It is coming home with us. I found these in this bin. Look how pretty the texture is on here. So what it actually is, I think, is this art on the other side, but I picked these up because of the canvas texture, and then you can use them to make your own art. So there's 4 of these. I'm gonna get all 4 of them. I think this is a rug. It feels like wool. Let's see, here's a label. It is wool. That's the brand, Baby and Child. It has a subtle pattern to it. I think this would actually look really good in my foyer. I'm gonna lay it out on the ground and see if it has any stains or anything. Oh my gosh, I just looked at this brand, which all of this is handwritten, so that kind of tells me that this was probably an expensive rug. They even have the date it was made, y'all. This rug is thousands of dollars. Y'all, it is in perfect condition and beautiful. They're starting to dump the wall, and I have not dug through this stuff. I like these rabbits, but this one is really dirty. So I'm gonna leave it here. Oh, we got some spools of string in here. Oh my gosh, they're dumping on both sides. It's stressful. I hate when this happens, but hopefully gonna put out some good stuff. Christmas. I don't see any good vintage Christmas in here. Here's a bunch of trophies. More Christmas down here. There's a bunch of ribbon. Ooh, I like this one. Okay. Oh, it's just one little piece of it. I want to see a whole string. Blue velvet. What is this giant brass thing right here? Is it real? Oh my gosh, that is so heavy. Look at this thing. Doesn't it look like a brass candlestick? A giant brass candlestick? I wonder if I need this. Should I bring it home? I think I have looked through the whole store, so I'm just waiting for them to refill this wall, and then we can dig some more. Exciting news, they're dumping this side as well, so we're gonna have 2 new sides to dig through. Hopefully they got some good stuff. Let me show y'all this handmade lamp right here. It is wood. It's so pretty. You can see all the screws. Somebody made it. I don't want it, but I'm hoping somebody else rescues it. All right, it's that time of year. I need to start collecting Christmas trees. I got a big front porch to decorate. I got a back porch to decorate. I got a house to decorate. So I think I'm gonna grab this Christmas tree. It's from Target, 7.5 feet, Alberta Spruce unlit, perfect. Yeah, so it's $25 at a garage sale. Now it's at the bins, and I don't know, probably pay a few dollars for it. This looks like a suitcase stand. Look at the wood, how pretty. Folds up flat, so that is nice. I think I'm gonna grab it just to have it in my stash. If I need something like a little side table, I can just put a piece of wood or something on top of here, or even add some of my own fabric. I don't know, I like it, and I think I'm gonna get it. Well, this wall was a bust. I did not find a single thing. There's lots of bags, lots and lots of books. I mean, for weeks they have been bringing out bins and bins of books. I don't know. Look, here's empty bins. They brought out empty bins. I don't know where all these books are coming from, but yeah, didn't find anything here. All right, let's go stand at the yellow line and wait for them to finish this side. Well, that side was a bust too. All I found was this false graph creamer and sugar dish. All right, I posted a reel of this piece on Facebook, and a lot of people said, turn it upside down. It's a little accent table. I found it the other way, so that's just how I was imagining it, but it's a really interesting accent table, but I'm wondering if I could clean it up. I mean, I love patina, but this is just a lot. So if y'all have any recommendations on cleaning this up, leave it in the comments for me. And I think I'm going to head out because somehow I ended up with a cart full of stuff, but I got some really good items. Also got these shoes for Ren. I have some similar and she keeps stealing them, so I'm hoping if I get her own shoes she'll stop taking mine. So I'll definitely leave a total on what I spent on all of this stuff. I guarantee you it's way cheaper than what you would pay full price for this wool rug right here. And leave a comment below and let me know what is your favorite item I got today at the Goodwill Bins. Y'all follow along for more thrifting adventures.